our never-ending love. Though fate may bring us to other land afar, our hearts and thoughts will always be with you wherever we are. Hold high the green and gold, waving with pride and hope, inspiring us to rise, to reach the greatest heights. With your kind guiding hand, we know we'll never fail to reap success and give the best for you and our fatherland. Hold high